Sky. I'm here with my sister at Infanta. Okay. This is Livo Infanta, Quezon. It's a small, I think it's a beach.
Kaya pag hinigayan mo yan, nagkipikasan, wala ka na picture.
Yeah. We're just doing refreshing.
Ayun mamaniho na.
Ah. 6 a.m. It's only 6 a.m. here. We just went down just around 5:30. Right from my sister's place is about 10 to 15 minutes, but we ride a tricycle. The sun is coming. Ah, yoko ito. Bye, Leah.
Kanina sana.
It's okay. Take care. Regards, Ibe. Love, love, auntie.